How to fix Instagram filters not showing up. So if your Instagram filters are not showing up, like if you are not being able to use the Instagram filters, then what you can do is first you need to check your internet connection. So if you don't have a stable internet connection like your Wi-Fi or your mobile data, you might find this kind of problem. And even after a stable internet connection, if you don't find that filters, then you can go for Play Store and make sure that your app is up to date. So if you have not updated your application, then you might find this kind of problem. You can simply search for Instagram on your Play Store, and then if you have an update option instead of this open option, then you can simply tap on update and you have to update your Instagram application. And even after updating, if that issue still exists, then you can open up your settings, your phone settings, and then you can go for apps and notifications, and then you can go for see all apps and go for Instagram, and here you can go for storage and cache, and you can tap on clear cache. And after clearing your cache, now your problem might be fixed. But even after that, if your issue still exists, then you have to uninstall your Instagram application, and then you can again install it from your App Store or your Google Play Store, and you can log into your account. So that's it. These were the few fixes to your problem. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.